Hi guys. So our project is wheelchair using lane detection. So with the name itself, you get to know that wheelchair is going to move with the lane detection. So we are going to apply this in airports and hospitals. For this, we need a separate track. We made our own tracks like we take A4 sheets and yellow color tapes. So yellow tapes and white sheets for the color variants. It shows much color variants. We're going to move the wheelchair using it detected the yellow color and it will move forward and take right left the turn all. I explained you in the simulation part. So here we can move the wheelchair. We can detect the lane using two methods. One is convolutional neural network CNN and the other is using image manipulations. So if you need to go with CNN parts means we need a Raspberry Pi, PyCam and all. So first we done with image manipulation parts. Finally, the CNN part and image manipulation part, we will combine this both and give one result, better result. So here we have in image manipulation we have done with the three methods. So first one with the region of interest and edge detection. So and the second one is using color detection and third one using all three that ransack color detection and RO extraction. So first I will explain you with the RO extraction. Here we take the sample video as this road. So this is the straight road. This won't contain any turns or curves. Why I will tell you later. Here what we have done means first we take the input video. The input video will be RGB. So first of all, if we need to detect the edges means we need to uh, convert the RGB image to gray image. So we done that only here. Next, for reducing noise from the image we done Gaussian blur here. We know that edge detection. So after done this too, we know that edge detection I have many types like Canny, Sobel, Solar. We have taken Canny here. So we have done Canny edge detection. After that, using Canva website, uh, where is the test image? This test image. So if you see here means the yellow line and the white line. We are going to detect this only, not the rest of the path. So once you have done the edge detection, it will detect the edges in the image, the whole image, whole edges in the image. But we need only this road part. We need this only we need this road part. So for this. We use Canva website and using a white color triangle, we fix in that road. These three, I don't have cursor here. It won't visible, so that was the problem. Um, I will run and show you here. So here, this was the edge detected. We don't need this side path and all. So for this, we use Canva website and mask the other sides, and only we detected the road and using half-line transform. This was the mask. I don't have mask image here, I guess. So using bitwise add, I have masked both. I have merged both the input original video. In original video, I have add a mask image. I have downloaded from Canva website. So after that, using half-line transform method, it drawn the line wherever the edge is detected. So this was the first method we have done. So what is the disadvantage here? Means it can't able to detect the curves, right turn, left turn, and other tracks when it moves. Why? Because we use ROI extraction in only particular three coordinates. These are the three coordinates that three edges of the road. the triangle shape road, so it can't able to detect other sides when it is turned. So to overcome this, in image manipulation algorithm itself, we have tried with color detection. So for to know the ranges, as I said you before, we have made our own track. I have shown in our track in uh, simulation part, and also here we use a white color A4 sheet, and um, we use white color A4 sheet and yellow color tape. Here it can able to detect the curves also. So we didn't add or merge any images. So in turn it can in turns and curves, and or when it turns to other tracks, it can't able to read, and like not, it is not like that. It can able to detect. What we have done here means we use Gaussian blur for noise reduction. Then for finding the yellow color range, the yellow ranges of the yellow color, we check using this code, the HSV code. We find that lower H, lower S, lower V, and higher H, higher S, higher V. This that values only I substituted here. I converted in previous code, we converted that RGB into gray, but here we convert BGR to HSV. After that, we substitute the code, and we will mask other areas. What specialty here means, it won't detect any other thing other than yellow color. So after it detects the yellow color, it will detect the edges of the yellow color. Mm. This was the mask image. This was a mask image, and it is detecting the edges of that yellow color. The same like this, if we paste the tape this side or left side also, it can able to detect that side also. So center will be the track. This was our second method, and third method we refer ChatGPT. That ChatGPT requires us to do all the advise us to do all these three combined together. It asks us to add a ransack algorithm, random sampling sequence algorithm also. So random sampling sequence will fit the mathematical shapes like lines and all. It will fit wherever the edges is detected. But as comparing the result, we didn't get any good result. We are getting result like this. This that green color line is a random sampling sequence. The best fit it was that it was wrong actually. So as comparing these three, uh, we have getting good result in that color to edge detection. So you in image manipulation algorithm, we have tried these three method, and the color to edge detection gives us a better result. So after that, we are going to give complete a CNN. So how we are going to done CNN means. Using a remote car, we will fix a PyCam, and we will run the remote car in our track. Then we will convert our video into frames. We will train as a convolutional neural network. Using convolutional neural network, we will train a model. Then using that model, our wheelchair is going to move. So after that, we will combine this image manipulation algorithm and that CNN algorithm together, and we will going to see the result. The simulation part also added next to this. What disadvantage in color to edge means that we can get some lightning problem. So according to a lightning, the color, this range may be varies. So to overcome this only, we have done CNN also. Thank you.